Oscar, something happened? Came home from work. Usually up here is this, and it was filled with cough drops. Now we find cough drop wrappers strewn throughout the whole house. And you'll notice the pieces of cough drop stuck to the floor. Oscar. Great. Here's some more. Hey! Lay down. 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 Oh, another one. And another one. And another one. Another one! The garage door opener. Good. Hey, another one. Two more. A sock. Looks like that's it so far. Carl? Who did that? Oscar? Who did it? Who ate those cough drops? He did? There's the cough drop king. Were you a bad boy, Oscar?